Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create Bybit Web3 wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply tap open your Bybit account. So once you tap open its app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, simply tap on the more icon. After tapping on more, you will end up in this interface where you can find the Web3 option. Simply tap on that particular option and you will be redirected to this kind of interface. Here, all you need to do now is simply tap on create a Bybit Web3 wallet option. After you have tapped on it, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to tap on create. After tapping on create, you need to follow the on-screen prompts, which will then help you successfully create your wallet, and you will receive this kind of message on your screen. It says your wallet is successfully created. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.